Hey everyone, I've had a few questions about finding the start trigger wire going to the starter motor on a 1UZ. So I've got a couple of different looms here. This is about a mid-93 loom, and so I've got to use our imagination. I'm standing inside the cabin behind the firewall, but here's the wires that go to the ECU. See, let's go to the ECU through the trick goes through the firewall. This plug here has got the start trigger in it. So it's the big wire in there. The other two go to the knock sensor. So it's on this loom here. Here's the loom going into the starter motor. So there's your main power supply into the starter motor. And that wire there is the trigger wire. We'll just reinstall that like that. So it comes out, that big black wire, which normally comes up to a plug. Here's another one. This is actually a VVTi loom. So here is the plug in question. So it's the top wire in there. The two small ones are the knock sensor. The top one goes to the starter motor. Similar loom just above us. Let's go up here. This is a 20 series non-VVTi loom. Here's that same plug. It is exactly the same plug, and that's the top wire. So that's the power comes through the loom to there, and then into this plug down to the starter motor. So when you want to trigger it, find this plug, slam some power down that wire, and that will get the engine cranking over. Hope that's helpful. That's my little tip of the day. I'm going back to doing some more wiring. We'll talk to you later.